Hello everyone, this is Taryn with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. Today I have an unboxing of Scrapbooking Store's May 2025 kit, and I can't wait to show you especially all the goodies and the extras. But this month we have Hello Lovely by Michelle Coleman in PhotoPlay, and I can't wait to show you what's inside of it. There's a sticker page and your 12 by 12 paper packs. But for the extras that you can pick up alongside this, we have Simple Stories Noteworthy collection. So this is a card making kit, which I'm so excited to open up and see, as well as floral bits. And then we also have a sticker pack right here. So I will show you these in a second. Let's start off with the PhotoPlay kit. So this is going to be your main kit. Let's get this open. And as always, I will put my affiliate link down below in case you want to pick that up. Thank you so much for using that affiliate link. So first off, we have this little intro page. You could even cut this out and use some alpha dyes with this and make some fun titles. But then we have our 12 by 12. So we have every moment, and then you have your cards in here. Then you have a diamond kind of style print on the back. Then you have this one. I love all the florals in here. So these are gonna be the same. So 2 of each. Sorry, just realized that. And then look at this gorgeous floral. Look at that. That's lovely floral. Has a good name. And then this kind of like polka dot, but grungy, distressed kind of look. Then this one is called Wonderful. Has a bunch of different phrases in here. Believe in yourself, wonderful, be nice, hello, what a day, love you, thank you, this is my fave, all those things. And then look at this diamond pattern in the back. I love this green. Then we have Banner Day. And then it says, current favorite, enjoy today, hey love, hello friend, thank you. And then this might be my favorite one out of all the papers. We'll have to see. But I love this yellow vintage floral look. Then we have So Sweet, which is stripes. Ooh, this one's pretty too, with a pink floral on the back. And then you have Fabulous, which is a green. With some birds in there. That is so sweet. And then the back side of this is a nice little polka dot. So that is your whole pack of papers. And then you have your sticker page. So we have a bunch of sayings in here. You have your days of the week. I love this, and also the bag, the record player. I always just love the record players. And then you have little fake Converse sneakers in there, nice frame, always some good florals as well. And look at these sweet little birds. So you have a bunch of stuff to play with in this PhotoPlay Hello Lovely set. But let me show you the extras that you can add on to this kit. So the kit itself you can get for $13. These are the upgrades, and you can get all these for $7, guys. That is such a steal. So like I said, we have these stickers right here. It's 16 pieces. So there's that. And then this is what I'm so excited for, because this is basically a whole nother kit on top of your paper pack. So you have your floral bits from Noteworthy. This is, I'm not sure if it says how many, 32 cardstock die cuts. So let's see all these floral bits. They are so sweet and cute. I love these colors, and the clusters in them are just amazing. Look at that one. That one's definitely a favorite. And look, you have like graph paper in your floral. So sweet. Little ones as well. That's just greenery pieces. Oop. I love that they've included some just plain greenery pieces as well. Look at that one. That one's cute as well. I mean, who am I kidding? They are all super sweet. But I love these. I love the colors. I love the cuteness of them. That one is especially cute. 32 of these guys. This one's a little bit of a darker one with pops of pink. Look at this one. Oop. And then almost to the end here. So you have 32 of these. Oh, a single one, and then that cluster. And then you have your Simple Stories card making kit. So I'm probably not going to make these as cards, but I'll use them in my Bible journaling. So that will be a challenge that I'm excited about. Not so much like a challenge, like it'll be difficult, but something that I'm excited about. Let me put these in before I lose them. Slide them in here. Okay, let's look at this card making kit. Let's see what it says. So you can make 8 cards with this. Sorry, this was the back side, but at least I gave you a little preview. But that is the front side of it. You can make 8 cards, create 8 unique handmade cards. Card making made simple. And it says on the back that you get 52 chipboard pieces, 70 die cut bits and pieces, and 8 white card bases, and then complete step-by-step instructions. Envelopes not included. I am so excited. Okay, so let's open this up. So you have all your instructions right here on how to make these 8 different cards. So that's helpful, so you can follow the instructions, or you can go rogue and do your own kind of thing. These are your chipboard pieces. I'm here for you. Happy day. Thinking of you. It's your day. Hope everything's okay. Hello. I just love all these. Look how cute. And little typewriter. Love this. So those are your chipboard pieces. Then you have in here, okay, these are your base cards, your 8 card bases. And then these are all the did it say 52? Is that what it said? Sorry, it's on the back. Sorry, 70 die cut bits and pieces. Look at these, and you don't even have to use them for cards, guys. It's perfect. So each one is its own card, but look how beautiful these are. I just want to go buy more Simple Stories card making kits because I just see so many good things that you could do this like projects with these. Look how beautiful. Okay, so maybe they are not split up as card by card, but it shows you in the instructions what ones to use. So I'm assuming these obviously are bases. For the cards are not bases because the white is the base, but you know what I'm saying. The second layer, and then these are all the more intricate, detailed layers on top. So that is your card making kit from Simple Stories. Look at that little eraser. I just got distracted. That's why I couldn't say that word correctly. But anyways, this is the add-on kit. So for $7, you can get this, and then your floral bits and the sticko stickers. And then for $13, you can get your whole pack of papers from PhotoPlay Hello Lovely collection. So that is what May 2025's kits are from Scrapbooking store, and I'm so excited to start working with these. Let me know down below, are you going to use these for a scrapbooking page, or are you going to do the cards? Like, I'm really interested. If you're a scrapbooker, are you going to use these to make cards, or are you going to use them in your scrapbooking? For me personally, Bible journaler, I think I'm going to use these in Bible journaling. But you'll have to follow along. I will probably do a couple of videos on how I use all these products this month. So stay tuned, and there may be a live later on this month on the Facebook page for Scrapbooking store. If I can send my kids away with my husband for an evening, and we'll get to play together on a live stream over there. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye guys.